This hallway looks very nice in the afternoon.
Everything looks fancy today, Dad!
Let's go get ready for formal night.
Formal night sounds important.
Walk slowly, Jack.
I'm just excited. Mom, I want to see our room first.
All right, slow down.
Here we are.
This is our cabin.
Look at these clothes.
They look very serious.
This is my suit.
You look like a movie star.
I need to check my dress.
It looks nice. Mom! Look, Dad, my bow tie.
Wow, that's very handsome.
I like how I look.
You look wonderful.
Let me try these pants.
Do they still fit?
They feel a little tight.
Just a little.
Something feels wrong.
Check the mirror. Don't move too fast.
I'm standing very still.
Can I sit here?
Yes, sweetheart.
I'll fix my shirt.
You look nervous.
Take your time.
I am trying.
Should I wear my bow tie now?
Not yet.
Everything is fine.
Are you sure? Why are you smiling like that?
Because I'm confident. Oh, wait.
What happened?
I need to bend a little.
Be careful.
Oh,
What was that sound?
the button.
Oh no! Did it break?
Yes, it did.
Did your pants explode?
Not funny, Jack. Here is the button.
I can't believe this.
This is embarrassing.
I warned you. Take a deep breath.
I'm trying.
I want to laugh.
Don't you dare. Let me think.
Do we have a plan?
I have a small bag.
Please find something.
I always carry useful things.
Like magic tools. What are you looking for?
Something sharp. Ah, here they are.
Safety pins? You saved me.
Of course. Stand still.
I won't move. This feels strange.
It looks funny. Are you okay?
I think so.
Almost done.
Take your time. Let me check.
Does it look good?
It works.
Yay! You fixed it.
Yes, I did. Stand up straight.
Like this. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now my jacket.
Be careful.
Everything looks nice now.
I feel better.
Time for my bow tie.
Come here. Hold still.
Okay. Do I look good?
Very good. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
We match.
We do.
Matching bow ties.
That's cool. I like formal night.
Me too. Let's take a look.
Everyone looks great. The light is soft.
It feels calm.
Deep breath.
You're ready. Everything will be fine.
I trust you.
Can I hold your hand?
Of course.
Let's go.
I'm ready. Wow!
This place is beautiful.
Everyone looks elegant.
Like a movie.
Walk slowly.
Okay.
Stay close.
I will. Look at the lights.
Very bright. I need to relax.
You're doing fine. I'm right here.
Thank you.
I feel tall.
You are growing.
Here is our table.
Nice.
Please sit.
Carefully. Very carefully.
Don't move.
Perfect.
Still safe.
My chair is big.
That's okay.
We did it.
Yes.
Everyone looks happy.
I am.
The food looks great.
I'm hungry.
I will eat slowly.
Good idea. No big plates tonight.
Lesson learned.
This is fun.
It really is. I can laugh now.
Yes, you can. Listen to the music.
It's soft.
I feel calm.
Start slowly
Me too.
and simple melody.
You did great tonight.
No rhythm yet.
Thank you.
Light, lo-fi beat enters.
Best formal night ever.
Piano plus guitar repeat gently.
I agree.
Very consistent volume.
Good night.
No
Good
note
night.
changes.
Sweet dreams.